am Marta Pyrchala, Master and Teacher Reiki. Okay, but we are human beings. We experience many different situations which can be difficult for us. We can feel anger, we can feel sadness, and so on. So, what is the sense of the rules? Do not feel anger today, do not feel sadness today. This is not about forcing yourself for pretending that you don't feel it. No, this is not about this. This is about managing anger and sadness in that way that thanks to this managing, the sadness and anger will not be damaging to your health. So you are a human being. This is normal. You have so-called negative emotions. And the negative emotions are not bad. They are just information that something is wrong in your life and the something must be changed. So-called negative information, not negative emotion, make you aware that you have to change something. Without them, you wouldn't be aware that something is wrong. So you wouldn't have any chance for developing, for improving yourself and your life. This is like with toothache. If somebody suffers from toothache, this is not something bad. This is an information that you have to go to the dentist and ask for advice how to care better for your teeth to avoid the problem in the future. And the same is with pain of soul, so-called negative emotions. So this is not a kind of devil, the negative emotions. This is information. And if you will listen the information and follow the advice which flows from the information, then you will develop much better, faster, and you'll be much more happy in your life. So remember, to cope with so-called negative emotions like anger or sadness, ask yourself why I feel this, why I experiencing this, what happened, what is wrong, what I have to change, what I can do to stop feel this, to change the situation and to feel something different, like a joy, like a calm, peace. So ask yourself, this is how you should to cope with your negative emotions, including anger and sadness. This is a key to your real development. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like and share. Bye.